It's okay, little one. I have water for you. Here you go. Drink slowly. There we go. A soft little bed just for you. Good morning, my little friend. Here's your breakfast. The rain is stopping, little bird. Come, let's walk together. Chirp, chirp.
Hold on, grandmother. This will help.
Will she be all right?
Thank you, child. There you are. Welcome back.
The little owl was so kind and brave, helping the grandmother feel better. Yes, such is fun. We all came to help Gudia and her grandmother.
For the first time, our home feels full of happiness.
Yes, my dear. It truly does.
Look, Daddy, the little bird is looking at me so lovingly.
You see, Gudia, kindness always returns.
Hi, friends. If you loved our story, please subscribe, like, and share.